Everyone's building AI agents, but no one knows how to train them to get better until now. Microsoft just solved this with Agent Lightning. Right now, tools like LangChain let you build agents quickly. But when your agent makes mistakes or struggles with reasoning, you're stuck. There's no way to teach it from its failures. Agent Lightning changes that. It watches your agent work, records every decision, scores those decisions, and feeds the data into reinforcement learning algorithms to improve the model over time. Think of it like training a new employee. With Lightning, your agent learns from its mistakes and gets better. The best part? It works with any agent framework, so you can use it without changing your code. Want to try it? Comment agent and I'll DM you the repo link.